Hi, my name is Jonathan. I have 24 years old. I live actually in the Sogamoso city and I am study degree in English. My favorite activities, I think that I like the practice basketball, some football or soccer, and play music and photography. Those are my hobbies. My favorite clothes. I think that have really simple legs, like blue sweater, black pants, and black boots. About my family, I have to talk about my mother, father, and brother. They are really special for me, and I think that they brought so much things to my growth, and they're my examples for life, and that's very significant. I really love music. I actually play the piano and sing sometimes. One story about that is when um, I go to play in a church, and I really enjoyed it. I feel um, completely comfort, comfortable, and that's um, make me feel very happy. Thank you.